Hi there, this is Murph. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to configure Shell in a Box on a DigitalOcean droplet or VM running CentOS 6.5 or any CentOS 6 variant should be fine. You can follow the same steps for any VM that you might have that is running CentOS 6X or Red Hat 6X variant or Oracle Linux. First, Shell in a Box, what it does, it allows you to access your server through the browser instead of having a SSH client like PuTTY or the terminal application. You can SSH to your machine through a browser, plain browser. So you don't need any plugin or anything to access your service, which is pretty handy, especially from Chromebooks or tablets. Okay, so first I'm just gonna maximize the screen here a little bit. So to get Shell in the Box installed first, you need to have EPEL repository configured on your server. If you search for EPEL repository installation steps in Google, it'll be pretty easy to install. I have it up one here. So I'm just gonna follow this. First, I have to install wget because I don't have wget on this machine. In many machines, you might have it already, but if you don't, you can just install wget first. Okay, so that is there. So now I can run these commands here for this EPEL repository installation and just follow these steps. It's pretty easy. Okay. Okay, so now I have the EPEL repository installed. Now I can install Shell in the Box. To do that, I have to do yum install. I do OpenSSL. I want to update OpenSSL as well, just to make sure that I have the updated version of OpenSSL. You can leave it off, but I usually prefer it because Shell in the Box does SSL encryption as well if you use HTTPS. And then you put Shell in a box. That's it. Okay, asking more my confirmation. Yes. So as you see here, it's going to install this, and it's going to update my OpenSSL package. It's always a good idea to update it because, you know, security wise, it's a good idea. Yes. Okay, I'm done. Now, if I do go to the first, I need to go sysconfig, etc sysconfig shell in a box d. So I'm gonna update this. So by default, shell in a box this into port 4020. You can keep it or you can change it if you want to be more secured. Okay, and I'm gonna uncomment this line. I'm gonna remove -t because I want to use SSL, right? So remove -t, and I'm gonna put my IP address of the system. I could do the localhost 17.0.0.1, but there are a lot of options you can configure Shell in a Box with. Save it. I can put my IP address here as well, right? Okay, now I'm going to start the service. Shell in a Box d start. Okay, start. Now if I go to my browser, here is my DigitalOcean droplet IP address. I'm going to do HTTPS. Okay, and then :4200. Okay, it's gonna give me warning regular because it's not using any renowned certificate authority. I'm gonna say proceed, and I should get a login prompt here. Okay, yeah, login prompt here. Let's say root, and I'm in. Okay, now I can do a lot of things. Yeah, it's way better. There are some options I can paste stuff from browser. So say I want to paste something from like a command, like cat etc, whatever it is, right? So I want to see the URL. So I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to copy. You cannot copy and paste, I think, by default. You have to paste it and then you put it here, right? Then it goes here. So that's kind of, it would be nice if I could just copy and paste right away. And there is an on-screen keyboard as well, which is pretty nice. If you're touch screen, you can use on-screen keyboard. There are a lot of options here. Okay, if you do shell in a box D H, it gives you, I believe, dash H. It gives you all the options that you can use, so you can kind of tweak your settings as you like. But it's basically a very handy tool that you can use. You know, I hope this video helps. If you like this video, press like or subscribe to my videos. Thank you for watching.